How to fix YouTube Shorts audio not syncing. Welcome back to the channel. If your YouTube Shorts audio feels delayed or out of sync, don't worry. I'm going to show you a quick guide to fix and line up everything again. So the first thing you want to do is open up YouTube. And once you open it up, you want to head over to the short where your audio is not syncing. So I'll go over to my profile at the bottom right. Then tap on view channel. And here you should be able to find your shorts. Tap on the short and see which works for you and which doesn't. For example, for this one, you can just go ahead and long press on it and you can archive it and then unarchive it again. So from the public view, you want to move it to private. You can do it on YouTube Studio. So if you tap on the studio icon at the bottom left, you can open up on YouTube Studio and edit it from here. Once you've done that, you also want to clear your YouTube cache. So long press on YouTube, tap on the I button, head over to storage, and simply tap on clear cache at the bottom. Once you do that, just go back and turn off battery optimization. Go to battery, make sure you set this to unrestricted, and you're going to be good to go. You can also check your video frame rate. So all you have to do is basically use a standard frame rate such as 30 FPS or 60 FPS, or even a mixed or variable frame rates can desync your audio. Make sure you've done all of that properly, and that's it. You can try these steps one by one and your short should be synced perfectly. If you found this fix helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.